Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to reset your Cash App limit. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to need to open up the official Cash App application. So if you do not already have the application on your mobile phone, what we want to do is open up the App Store and download it. So go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone if you have not already. Open up the search bar and in the search bar search for Cash App. So go ahead and find the Cash App application, install it, and once you install it successfully, we will be greeted by the main page where we can go ahead and open it up. So you can either log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is our home page where we can take a look at our cash balance, we can take a look at our savings and all the other settings that we can access. And now we can get started with our limit. So basically guys, you are given a limit by Cash App how much you can spend and go ahead and into overdrive. So what you can do to reset that limit is the following. So here in the upper right corner is your profile icon, and the home page, you want to click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. By clicking your profile picture, it's going to open up a new settings menu. So basically guys, you are going to go and be given a bigger limit either by verifying your account or just by using Cash App a lot. They're going to go ahead and increase your limit by themselves. You cannot ask for a bigger limit. If they notice that you're using Cash App a lot, they're going to give you the limit themselves. But basically, yeah, what you can do is click the profile icon in the upper right corner, open up the settings tab, and one of the options you can access is called limits. So you want to open up the limits menu. In the limits menu, you can go ahead and access your limits. You can manage your limits, see how much you have left, and if you have spent it all guys, then what you have to do is just wait for the month to end. You cannot reset it. You have to wait for the month to end so that your limit is resetted and that you'll be able to use your limit again. But yeah guys, that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.